Now, converting a recurring decimal to a fraction, that's a more difficult task. I'm going to do 3 examples here. And I'm going to start with 0.5 recurring. So what I'm going to do is let x be equal to 0.5 recurring, except I'm going to write that as 0.55555 ... Now, if I multiply that by 10 times x is 10x. If I multiply this by 10, we just move the decimal point. So we'll get 5.55555. And note how the decimal part of that is the same. So if I subtract on the right hand side here, 5.55555 take away 0.55555 is just going to be 5. So 10x take away a single x gives me 9x's, and then 9x's is equal to 5, and then just divide both sides by 9, and I get 5/9. So as a second example, let's do one that we've actually met before. So we know what this one should come to, 0.54 recurring. So I'm going to let x be equal to 0.545454 and so on. Now the point is I want to get the same expansion. So I'm going to want the decimal point to go 2 places into here. So to get the decimal point to go 2 places, I'm going to multiply by 100. So I'm going to have 100x, and then that will be 54.545454, and so on. So the decimal is the same. Now if I subtract 100x's take away a single x, that's 99x's. If I do this take away this, because the decimals are the same, I just get 54. So x would be 54 over 99, and then we can cancel down from there. Actually, both of them divide by 3, so the bottom will be 33. 54 divided by 3 is 18, so it will be 18 over 33. Now, as a final example here, this one is the most complicated, but we've seen it before. 0.16 recurring. Now, with this one, only the 6 recurs. We've seen it before, we know it's 1/6. Do the same thing though. Let x be equal to 0.16666666. Now, we can't really ever get an expansion that looks the same on the right, because wherever we move the point, we're just going to have 6's. So there's a little sneaky trick. We'll use 10x, and that would give me 1.66666666. And then I'll use 100x, which gives me 16.666666. And now I've got the same decimal. If I now subtract these two, 100x take away 10x is 90x's. Here, because the decimal is the same, effectively I'm doing 16 take away 1, which is 15. Divide both sides by 90. And 15 goes into 15 once, 15 goes into 90 6 times, and it is 1/6, as we knew it would be.